Hi, Andrew McLaren with the motor implementation test for Millie's Flying Fish, MTR1201. So this is my setup for the Millie's Flying Fish. As we can see, we've now installed and wired the motor and the IMU, but for the motor, see here, got the connections with the signal from pin 9, and then got jumps made up to supply power, 5 volt and earth for the motor and the IMU. If we turn around, got the linkage at the back. Changed my linkage a little bit because it was getting fouled up on it, so I've put an arm there so I could adjust the position to keep the tail at 0. It was it was a bit loose before and wasn't going back to the same position each time it moved, so I've fixed that up. Basically designed a bit of a motor test to just take it through its positions. Been putting a clamp on the bottom just when it's doing it statically, because as the tail moves, it tends to move the whole unit a little bit. So just fix it in the one place while we go through the test. So you can see here we've got the angles that I've drawn up on the base with the protractor so that we can see where it's moving and when. So just initiate the program and it'll run through its angles. So basically we've gone 3 angles each way and then back to 0. Gone 5, 10, 15. And yeah, basically on the loop, so it'll keep running through those. And obviously at the minute it's not sensing anything in the airflow, but if we disconnect, 0, and take that off and start the fan. Should be moving in the airflow. Moving slightly in the airflow there when it catches it. So the next steps will be to calibrate and program the IMU so that it senses its position relative to the body and adjusts the tail accordingly. Thank you.